Okay, now I would like to explain about the ABCD parameters in terms of other parameters. So first in terms of Z parameters, so we know that the ABCD parameter equations V1 equals to A into V2 minus B into I2, I1 equals to C into V2 minus D into I2. Let this is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. And Z parameter equations are V1 equals to Z1 I1 plus Z1 to I2, V2 equals to Z2 I1 plus Z2 to I2. So equation number 3 and equation number 4. Okay, now see the equation 3. Equation 3 having V1 I1 I2 terms. So equation 1 V1 V2 I2. So we cannot convert equation 3 like equation number 1. So next see equation 4 having I1 V2 I2. So equation 4 it having I1 V2 I2. So we can convert equation 4 like equation number 2. So now from equation 4 V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z21 I2. So by using this equation write I1 function of V2 I2, that means like equation number 2. So Z21 I1 equals to V2 minus Z2 to I2, I1 equals to V2 by Z21 minus Z22 by Z21 into I2. So by comparing equation 2 and 5, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 5. By comparing these two equations, we can write, so C equals to V2 quotient value. So V2 quotient equals to 1 by Z21 and I2 quotient value equals to D. So D equals to Z22 by Z21. Now substitute this equation number 5 in equation 3. So equation 3 V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. So V1 equals to Z11 into I1 equals to this equation. So V2 by Z21 minus Z22 by Z21 into I2 plus Z12 into I2. So from this equation we can write V1 equals to Z11 by Z21 into V2 plus Z12 into Z21 minus Z11 into Z22 by Z21 into I2. So now by comparing equations 1 and 3 and 6, we can write A comma B. So I1 quotient value Z11, I2 quotient value Z12. Not here. By comparing 1 and 6, we can write A and B. So V2 quotient value A, I2 quotient value B. So A equals to V2 quotient value Z11 by Z21. So next B equals to I2 quotient value Z11 into Z12 minus Z12 into Z21 by Z21. So why? Because here minus B2 is there, here plus is there. By multiplying with minus we get B equals to this equation. So finally the ABCD parameter matrix in terms of Z parameters, A equals to Z11 by Z21, B equals to delta Z by Z21. This equals to del Z or determinant of Z matrix. So next C equals to 1 by Z21, D equals to Z22 by Z21. So next in terms of Y parameters. So first ABCD parameter equations, V1 equation, I1 equation. Next y parameter equations, I1 I2 equations, I1 equals to y11 y1 plus y12 v2, I2 equals to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. This is equation number 3 and it is equation number 4. Now see here equation 3 having I1 v1 v2. In these two equations I1 v1 v2 terms are not there. In first equation I2 is there, in second equation also I2 is there. So we cannot convert equation 3 like equation 1 or equation number 2. So now see equation number 4. So equation 4 having I2 v1 v2 terms. So here equation 2 having I2, I1, V2. So equation 4 we cannot convert like equation number 2. So equation 1 it having I2, V1, V2. I2, V1, V2. So by using equation 4 we can convert this equation into V1 equation. So by using equation 4 write V1 equation in terms of I2 and V2. So equation for I2 equals to y11 v1 plus y22 v2, y21 v1 equals to I2 minus y22 v2, and v1 equals to I2 by y21 minus y22 by y21 into v2. So now by comparing equations 1 and 5 we can write a comma b. So v2 quotient value equals to a, I2 quotient value equals to b. So v2 quotient value a equals to minus y22 by y21 and b equals to 1 by b equals to minus 1 by y21. Why? Because here minus b into I2 is there, here plus I2 by y21 is there. So b equals to minus 1 by y21. So next to substitute equation 5 in equation 3. So equation 3 I1 equation. So I1 equals to y11 v1. Substitute v1 equals to equation number 5. So plus y1 to e2 v2. So from this equation we can write I1 equals to y11 by y21 into I2 plus, so minus y22 into y11 plus y12 into y21 by y21 into v2. So I1 equals to minus y11 into y22 plus y12 into y21 into v2 by y21 plus y11 by y21 into I2. So this is equation number 6. So now by comparing equations 2 and 6. So equation 2 I1 equation, equation 6 I1 equation. So here V2 quotient value equals to C, I2 quotient value equals to D. So V2 quotient value, this one, I2 quotient value. So minus y11 by minus y11 by y21. So finally ABCD parameter matrix in terms of y parameters. So A equals to minus y22 by y21, B equals to minus 1 by y21, C equals to minus del y by y21, D equals to minus y11 by y21. So next in terms of H parameters. So first write ABCD parameter equations. These two are ABCD parameter equations. So next H parameter equations. V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. So now see in equation 3. Equation 3 having V1 I1 V2 terms. Equation 1 having V1 V2 I2. So we cannot convert equation 3 into equation number 1. So next to see equation 4. It having I2 I1 V2. So equation 2 having I2 I1 V2 terms. So we can convert equation 4 like equation number 2. So from equation number 4, equation 4, write I1 equation. So equation 4, I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. H21 into I1 equals to I2 minus H22 into V2. So from this equation I1 equals to I2 by H21 minus H22 by H21 into V2. So finally I1 equals to minus H22 by H21 into V2 plus I2 by H21. Here V2 quotient value equals to C, I2 quotient value equals to D. So by comparing equations 2 and 5. So C equals to V2 quotient value minus H22 by H21 and I2 quotient value. I2 quotient value equals to minus D. So minus D equals to 1 by H21 or D equals to minus 1 by H21. So now substitute equation 5 in equation 3. So equation 3 V1 equation. So V1 equals to H11 I1. Substitute I1 equals to this equation. So V1 equals to H11 into equation plus H12 into V2. So next V1 equals to minus H11 into H22 by H21 into V2 plus H11 by H21 into I2 plus H12 into V2. So V1 equals to minus H11 into H22 plus H12 into H21 by H21 into V2 plus H11 by H21 into I2. Equation number 6. Now by comparing equations 1 and 6, not 3 and 6, by comparing 1 and 6 we can write A comma B. So here V2 quotient value A, I2 quotient value B. So V2 equals to this one, I2 equals to minus H11 by H21. So finally the ABCD parameter matrix in terms of H parameters minus del H by H21, H11 by, okay, this is minus H11 by H21 minus H22 by H21 minus 1 by H21. So this is ABCD parameter matrix in terms of H parameters. So by using these formulas, if any network, we know the Z parameters or Y parameters or H parameters, by using the parameters we can determine the ABCD parameters.